I will now teach you the most powerful and evil manipulation trick. It is called pain and pleasure. With this trick you can, for example, make any girl obsessed with you, or even more extreme, you can control someone's life. In this video I will show you how to make any girl crazy about you, but use it at your own risk. First you have to find a target of your desire, and you have to approach her and text or talk to her, and you have to show interest from the beginning, but not too much, just enough for her to find you nice even if she is not interested. Then with time you increase the attention and affection you give her, but it should seem natural until she feels that she is special to you, and that she gets all your attention whenever she wants. Even if she doesn't like you yet, she wants all your attention, and she thinks it's normal, and her right. Until now you have been pleasing her with your attention, but now you ignore her, and take hours to respond, or say that you are busy, or don't have time. Now you have shown her the pain of being ignored and not getting your attention. She will ask you what she did wrong, but you don't answer her. The next day you start giving her all your attention again and pretend to be obsessed with her, but the next day you ignore her again, and if you repeat that, soon she will be obsessed with you and do everything you want, because it is her natural human instinct, to avoid pain, to be ignored in this case, and she will try her best to make you pay attention to her and not ignore her, not knowing what she is doing wrong. She will go crazy out of fear of doing something wrong and do everything you tell her to do. Now you have managed to make her obsessed with you, but use this knowledge only when necessary, because it could ruin her life.